What's up, y'all, and welcome back to Culture Time. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to build a Tuiga. Ms. Vani will be showing you guys how to build a Tuiga fowl, which is just made up of 5 components. In this video, the materials you will need is listed below. In this clip, I cut out fabric so that I can glue it onto the cardboard to build my balefuyono. To build the bow, I cut out siapo and cardboard, and I measured it to make sure it was the size that I liked, and then I glued the siapo to the cardboard, and I made sure to cut out pieces so that it would fit perfectly. For accessories, I added mirrors, and I wrapped twine around the mirrors and glued them down onto the bow. Before this, you seen that I was wrapping twine around the lave, and that was just for extra decoration to make it look more nice. And here I am attaching the lave to the bow. Usually it is separate, but I wanted to do it this way so that it was easier. I added tape for extra support. Here I am cutting strips of fabric so that I can wrap them around the hair. I'm going to wrap them in the middle as I am showing you here right now, and then I will begin to tease the hair. So this part is called a balefuyono, which is a headband, and usually it is made out of the nauticus shell. But the way I made it was with mirrors and seashells from the beach. So this would typically be called the bow, which is the siapo foundation, and these parts would be called the lave, which are the sticks you see on a coin. But like I said, I kind of did it my own way, and I connected the two together so that it'll be easier for me to put on. And the way that I also did it was I attached strings to the back so that you can tie it to your bun. part of the Tuiga, the Laulu, and that is basically hair, human hair. In the Samoan culture, it is usually human hair from your past ancestors that have passed on, and you would reuse it, and people in their family would just add on and add on. And one of the techniques that they would use so that they could get this light color is they would cut their hair and they would lay it out on the beach so that the ocean waves could naturally bleach the hair. So this last component of the Tuiga is called an ieuga, and basically that's feathers. So in the Samoan culture, you would typically see red feathers being used, but for my video, I wanted to use white feathers because I thought it went better with my whole style that I'm going for. But they would usually use red feathers as a symbol of like status. So yes, this is the final look, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this Tuiga that I made, and I hope you guys all will try this at home and share this with us on Facebook at the Samoan Community Development Center. Tag us and everything like that. Thank you guys!